When customers come into your shop with uneven tire wear, they may point to the tire and blame it for issues that they're experiencing. However, in a lot of cases, the problem starts under the vehicle. Springs, shocks, struts, and bushings all play a major role in how the tire meets the road. When those components start to fail, tire tread is a great indicator to pinpoint the issue. Let's take a look at some under-the-car issues that may be causing premature tire wear. The health of the springs directly affects the health of a tire. Every time a spring compresses and rebounds, it loses a little bit of life. But it's not about how far it travels, it's about how often it does. Over years of cycling, that fatigue can lead to a drop in ride height, and even a small change can throw off alignment angles enough to chew through the tread. Shocks and struts are just as important to maintaining proper tire tread. Over time, the gas charge that keeps the oil from foaming can leak out through worn seals, and when that happens, the damper overheats and fades, losing the ability to control the suspension. Without that control, the tire's contact patch suffers, leading to abnormal wear patterns. Suspension bushings also play a big role. Modern vehicles are running with bigger wheels and low-profile tires, meaning more of the suspension's compliance, or flex, comes from the bushings themselves. Many designs even use fluid-filled chambers to change stiffness under braking or cornering. When those bushings wear or leak, the control arm pickup points shift under load, which can rapidly create uneven tread wear, even if the alignment is technically in spec. So, what should you do if your customer comes into the shop with uneven tire wear? Start with a quick ride height check, or look at the condition of the shocks and bushings during a tire service appointment. That can help prevent comebacks and create natural opportunities to educate customers for how suspension health directly impacts tire life. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.